Welcome, I'm Bev Adams. I own an independent paper crafting business showcasing products from Stampin' Up. I sell the products I used in this project and also a few items to make crafting more convenient. I'll have the free detailed directions for this project on my website. You'll see where to find that at the end of this video. So don't worry about taking notes. It's time to put stamps, ink, and paper together. Whenever I receive an order, I send a thank you card to that person. Some of them are very simple and quick, like this one. My card base is Whisper White, 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have a piece of Rococo Rose that is 5 1/4 by 4. And I have a piece of Whisper White that's 4.5 by 3 1/4. This is quite a bit smaller than my usual layer. I'm using Floral Essence for the flower and the leaves. I'm using Crackle Paint for the background. And I'm using Daisy Delight for the thank you. This is one of those cards that you could turn into any card for any celebration. So I'm going to stamp my larger flower in Rococo Rose pretty much in the middle, but a little bit to the left. And then my smaller flower, I'm going to stamp, and this has kind of a curve, so you can kind of place it overlapping just a tiny bit there. I'm also using Old Olive and Early Espresso. Leaves are in Old Olive, and I can kind of squeeze those in around the flower. I like this thank you in Daisy Delight because it's nice and large. So I'm putting that up in the upper right corner. And then I'm placing the centers, trying to get those centered without putting my head in the camera. How'd I do? Well, not exactly centered, but close enough. And the Crackle Paint, I'm actually going to leave right in the case and ink it up. Place my cardstock on top, and I'm kind of ironing it with a D block just to get good even pressure all over. Then I can clean this up with a chamois. Add the background. And this layer goes on with dimensionals. And this goes down in the middle. And I see I got something on here. I have these sand erasers that I can get off some of those oopsies pretty well. And I think I've saved this card. So that's a quick and easy thank you. Not all my thank you cards are this quick and easy, but so if you place an order with me, you will be getting a thank you card. If you don't get one, check to see if you are listed as no contact. I recently got an order and I don't have an idea of who ordered from me. So if you didn't get one, email me and I'll get one to you. Thanks. Here's the web address for this project where you'll find the free detailed directions and links for the products I used. Just click the links and you'll be taken to my online store at Stampin' Up. Click Home near the top of my page and you'll find lots of resources. Under Shop, I have tips for online shopping, frequent shopper rewards, and products I offer to help you stay organized. Share my Evernote notebook for a nominal contribution. It functions as a fully searchable catalog. I offer a cardstock sampler, taggers to help you identify those dies with lots of similar shapes, heavy-duty bags to store 12 by 12 and 6 by 6 paper, and a bow maker. Inspiration takes you to all my projects. If you're new to stamping, you might want to look at the basics. You'll find how to cut card bases and layers, what's special about Stampin' Up! Stamps, and some of my favorite tools. Under Organization, you'll find catalog tabs, labels, and case inserts, a practically free stamp pad storage solution, a basic toolkit, color charts by alphabet, color family, and rainbow order, products by color, and RGB codes, and you can take a tour of my craft wall. More organization means more time for crafting. Come stamp with me here in Ventura County, California, or get the best deal of all and join my team of crafters. The team is called SIP Together, and it stands for Stamps, Ink, and Paper Together. The team is made of crafters who want to save money on the products they buy, share with a few friends, or to grow a business like mine. Be sure to subscribe to my website and on YouTube. I'd love to hear your comments. Thank you for joining me. Talk to you soon. Bye.